and everything we've built over the last few months and our ability to deliver these purpose-built clusters in short order. And we say 6 months, those are really large clusters, right? If you look at 2,000 chip clusters, and we did that one in 1 month, right? So I think there's a lot that we can do together, and I completely agree with you. Being able to optimize that at the infra level will be the biggest differentiator, together with whatever you guys are doing, which is really optimizing with software at the kernel level. So I think we're in a great position in terms of being able to capture some of these large-scale workloads. And I'm excited. I'm excited for where this is going to take us in terms of this acquisition, this partnership that's been growing. I mean, it's a true pleasure to work with the folks at Together and everything they do. I mean, it's just interesting how much we're so much on the same page. We don't have to explain ourselves in terms of why things need to get done. Right. Yeah. Sometimes it's a little bit of a shock in terms of the timelines, but in general,
it's a good alignment of value systems. I think.
Exactly.
It's very similar, set of values that both the companies are operating on, and that really shows.
I'm very impressed of how little phases Vipul. I mean, in terms of, it could be the largest cluster in the shortest period of time, and it's like we're not phased by it. We're just like going ahead, and it's been, like I said, I think it's a recipe to a great future.
I mean, I sort of think of it as, we're sort of building the railroads.
Yes.
For a new era, and it requires a lot of ingenuity. It requires a lot of sort of crazy requirements and insane timelines, but it's building core infrastructure for a new digital world. So I think all of this is sort of warranted.
I completely agree. And I think that it's been a hell of a ride. It's been a great ride. And we hope to it's like you said, we're only at the beginning. We're at the first floor. We're working our way up.